welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Tasty app review to see what you're using. So let's quickly dive into the review. The Tasty app is one of the most popular cooking app, offering a massive library of quick, easy to follow recipe with step-by-step video instruction. It's especially great for beginners or busy home cooks who want fun, creative meal without spending hours in the kitchen. The app also includes filter for dietary preferences, meal planning tools, and a handy what's in the kitchen features to generate recipe from ingredients you already have. That said, the app leans more towards casual cooking or advanced chef may find the recipe a bit too simple. It also includes hacks unless you upgrade to the paid version. And in conclusion, the app still worth using if you're looking for a fast, approachable and a visually guided recipe, but not ideal if you want in-depth gourmet cook experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.